Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to check Fiverr version on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to check your version of Fiverr on your phone, will be required to open the settings of the phone and not the Fiverr app itself. Open the settings and scroll down until you can find apps over here just below the battery. Tap on apps and tap on app management at the top of the screen. And when this loads, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there's a search bar. Tap on it and search for Fiverr over here and tap on Fiverr, and you land over here on the app info page of your phone for Fiverr, where you can see, guys, at the top of the screen where it says the Fiverr and its logo. Here it also says version 23.1.6.0, and that is the current version of your Fiverr app on my phone, but in your case it might be different if it's in the future. And with that being said, guys, if your Fiverr needs an update, or if you think your Fiverr needs an update, open the Play Store on your phone and search for Fiverr on the Play Store by tapping on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for it. And you can see, guys, currently the Fiverr on my Play Store, it says open, and there is no update required for the Fiverr on my phone. But if in your case, if there was an update instead of an open button, you'll be required to update your Fiverr and not open it. And with that being said, guys, let's close this, and this is the way you will be able to check your Fiverr version on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.